Hey guys, I just wanted to do this video concerning a project I was working on a few months ago. It's a painting I did with little bitty midget lights installed in it that I did myself. I wanted to do some touch-ups on it to make it work better. The midget lights are right here on the side. It has a little battery compartment, and I just switch it on right down here. Let me show you how they look. Oops. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now they look a lot prettier when it gets to be evening. They really show up better. But anyway, I was on some kind of cottage and country kick a long time ago when I painted this. This was my favorite subject, and I thought it was a good painting for this kind of project because it's got all the pretty, the windows are illuminated and that little lamp post and all that. So I think that's why I chose this painting out of all my others. So I wanted to show you something here. I love these little midget lights. They're like not the kind that has that pointy tip on it that sticks out. That's what I like the best about it. You see a close up. They're kind of blunt, small. Can't remember where I got them, but anyway, I wanted to do something on the back because the lights were kind of popping out. There you can get a good look at them there. Okay, this is what it looks like right here. Okay, I strategically used this piece of cardboard to put some, don't know what the right word is, but kind of cut down on the friction between the light string and the canvas because the lights were just, every now and then, were just kind of popping out. I cut that little notch there for the battery compartment. Takes 2 AA batteries to work, but anyway, and I used a cordless drill to make the holes in the canvas. I think it was 3.97. That was the bit size. But anyway, long story short, this sort of helps, but I don't like those lights showing, so I got this other piece of cardboard here that I cut strategically, as you can see, with the notch right there, so that go around the battery compartment. So like this. I'm gonna try to get under that hanger. Okay, this was a really cool project because all them pretty wall art pictures you might have seen somewhere that have lights on them when you switch them on at the side, and I just want to make my own, but I wanted to do some stuff to improve it. So this took a little bit of guesswork at times in measuring and to make sure it would fit, because I didn't want to smush those lights down, so it's going to kind of stick out just a little bit over them. I got some tape here that I've already cut to, let's see, hold on one second here, just gonna put right over here because it will kind of come out when I hang it back up. So, okay. There's one side. The hanger will kind of, it won't, I don't think it'll get in its way. Let's see. And we'll get that side right there, like that. Okay. But anyway, this was a fun project. If you'd like to try this yourself, you just need a string of little midget lights and, oh, there we go. I did it. Yeah, that's what it looks like on the back. I just didn't like the light showing, so there we go. So I'm going to hang it back on my wall in a little bit. But yeah, you can just do your own art, or you can, do like, if you like to paint, and that's one of your hobbies, you can get a painting you already did, and you just need a string of little tiny midget lights. Sorry, I can't remember where I got them, but like 10, 15, or 20 would also work. And they need to be battery operated because I don't like electric cords sticking out. But anyway, that's pretty much it. And I hope you enjoyed this. Sorry this wasn't a start to finish tutorial so much as just a little bit of some tidbits about how to do something better. But anyway, hope you like this, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.